Alright guys, it's a little close for me. I think I'm gonna go down in the basement now. It's literally a field away. It's coming. Oh yeah, there goes the power.
On the afternoon and evening of June 11th, 2026, a catastrophic outbreak of tornadoes tore through Illinois and northwest Indiana, leaving a trail of collapsed homes, ruptured gas lines, downed power infrastructure, and traumatized communities stretching from the flat agricultural heart of central Illinois all the way to the dense suburban corridors of northwest Indiana.
I hope no one was in that house.
Okay. Alright, come on, let's get in the house. Come on.
What unfolded over the course of roughly 6 hours was not a single storm. It was a multi-cell assault, wave after wave of rotating supercells, dropping confirmed tornadoes across dozens of counties in what meteorologists described in real time as a particularly dangerous situation.
Look at this. Someone's freaking car. Holy crap.
The afternoon's first major alarm came from the area of Washburn, a small community in Marshall County, located roughly 7 miles east of Chillicothe. At approximately 5 in the afternoon local time, trained weather spotters on the ground confirmed a large and extremely dangerous tornado touching down near the town.
Oh, yeah. Wow, they already got the electric and everything out.
Oh, yeah.
The National Weather Service office in Lincoln, Illinois, was tracking a distinct debris ball signature on Doppler radar, a return that forecasters use to confirm that a tornado is not merely producing rotation, but actively lofting shredded material into the air at significant altitude.
See that tree that's blown over?
Yeah, that's a tree limb.
This one right here.
There's another one back there.
The twister was moving northeast at 45 miles per hour, a pace fast enough to cover ground quickly, but slow enough to cause extended damage along its path. A tornado emergency, the rarest and most severe category of warning the National Weather Service can issue, was declared for the area, covering the towns of LaRose, Toluca, and Winona.
Oh, yeah, that's
The warning language was unambiguous. Life-threatening, catastrophic damage was either imminent or already occurring. Communities including Varna and Winona were directly in the projected path. The storm continued northeast, and the emergency designation remained in place for nearly an hour before it was downgraded, though a particularly dangerous situation tag remained active for the broader region well into the evening.
All right, it's coming this way.
As the initial Washburn storm tracked northeast, other supercells were spinning up across a wide corridor of north-central Illinois. At least 10 tornado reports were filed by late Thursday night in Illinois alone.
Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh.
Well, I like to do turn off this road and parallel and see where it goes. You
The small community of Ransom, along with Low Point, Ancona, and Reddick, all received confirmed or probable tornado reports as the outbreak progressed. These are rural communities, grain elevators, farmsteads, narrow county roads cutting through flat terrain, and the tornadoes that hit them came fast, with almost no urban infrastructure to blunt their intensity.
There's another one back there. That's only about a mile away.
A second confirmed tornado was also tracked near Ipava and Lewiston, described by spotters as a roping tornado, a term that refers to a funnel taking on a narrow, rope-like appearance as it begins to weaken, though still fully capable of significant destruction before it lifts.
Oh my goodness. Oh my Lord. It look like it's dispersing a little bit now, but yo, that's over there by like
John Street, Streeter, Illinois.
Took out our trees. Don't know what the front view looks like yet.
Streeter received perhaps the most concentrated attention during the outbreak. A city of roughly 12,000 people, located about 80 miles southwest of Chicago, Streeter was hit by what witnesses and authorities described as a direct tornado strike within its city limits.
Uh-oh. We got part of that tree is down. Part of that tree is down. Fern tree, just the bottom half of it broke off.
3 separate reports of a tornado touching down in or near Streeter were filed during the event. The destruction in the city was immediate and visible. Police officers and neighbors were filmed rescuing at least one man from a home that had fully collapsed, not merely damaged, but structurally failed and brought to the ground. Several additional homes in Streeter sustained severe structural damage.
Oh yeah, Streeter, Illinois. It is June 11th at 5:58. Yeah,
And over here, more debris. And over here, we got branches down.
A family reunification center was established at Streeter City Hall to shelter displaced residents and help families locate one another in the chaos that followed the initial strike. Emergency crews responded to downed power lines and active gas leaks throughout the affected neighborhoods, working to prevent fire and secondary hazards from compounding an already devastating situation.
Like yet?
I feel like we should probably still be in the basement.
Oh my God. All right, we're going to the basement again.
Because look, it looks like it's turning.
Yeah.
That's what the people in the belt for.
As the storm system moved northeast and crossed into northwest Indiana, it did not weaken. If anything, the tornadoes it produced intensified. Just after 7 in the evening, a tornado was confirmed touching down in the Merrillville and Hobart area of Lake County, Indiana, one of the most densely populated corridors in the entire region. The National Weather Service issued a tornado warning for southern Lake County and parts of Porter County, and at 7:35 in the evening, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was tracked directly over Hobart, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour.
Tornado right here!
The projected path put Merrillville, Schererville, Crown Point, Griffith, Dyer, and St. John directly in its trajectory within minutes. Residents throughout those communities received emergency alerts on their phones and were ordered to take cover immediately.
Over there by that's over there by South Streeter and shit, you feel me? Let me zoom back out. It look like it's falling away now.
In Hebron, located in Porter County, multiple homes were damaged and destroyed according to trained weather spotters who observed the storm's path through the area. The same tornadic supercell was also observed near Counts before it pushed further northeast.
My eyes downstairs before it head this way.
A confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was also tracked near Wanata in Porter County at approximately 7:20 in the evening, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Porter County, stretching from the Indiana Dunes along Lake Michigan down through agricultural plains to the south, saw significant tornado activity across multiple communities as the storm system moved through. The outbreak did not stop at the Indiana state line.
Are there cameras back here?
Big tornado here. North of Washburn. Probably down along Route 26.
I don't know if you can see a little better through the phone.
Hey, you're in the basement, right?
Yeah, better be. If you're not, make sure you are.
Well, there's one